You're trading your life for a paycheck that barely covers your bills. Every morning, you wake up dreading the day ahead, caught in an endless cycle of work, spend, repeat. This isn't living, it's existing. And deep down, you know it. The rat race isn't just a job you hate. It's a mindset trap that keeps you financially vulnerable, emotionally drained, and forever chasing the next paycheck. The truth most people never confront is that your income isn't your problem. Your relationship with money is. Financial freedom isn't about making more money. It's about breaking free from financial behaviors that keep you stuck. The average person will earn millions over their lifetime, yet most will retire with hardly anything to show for it. Why? Because they never developed financial discipline or questioned the consumption patterns programmed into them since childhood. The first step to escaping the rat race is accepting a brutal truth. Comfort is the enemy of wealth. That stable job giving you just enough to maintain your lifestyle is precisely what's keeping you trapped. Security feels good, but it's an illusion that costs you your freedom. Every month you choose comfort over growth extends your sentence in the rat race by years. Society has conditioned you to be a consumer, not a creator. Every advertisement, social media post, and conversation with friends reinforces the idea that spending equals happiness. The system profits when you stay financially illiterate, making just enough to consume, but never enough to break free. Your financial struggles aren't accidental. They're by design. The money mindset shift begins when you stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner. Employees trade time for money in a limited equation. Owners build systems that generate wealth while they sleep. This fundamental difference explains why some people struggle for decades while others achieve financial independence within years. Real wealth isn't measured by what you spend. It's measured by what you keep and put to work. The fancy car in your driveway isn't an asset if it's draining your bank account each month. True assets feed you. Liabilities eat from you. Most people spend their lives accumulating liabilities they mistakenly call assets, then wonder why they're always broke. Transforming your financial reality requires understanding that income is only a tool. What matters is cash flow. Money that continues coming in whether you show up to work or not. Passive income isn't a luxury. It's the foundation of financial freedom. Without it, you'll remain trapped trading hours for dollars until your time or health runs out. The entrepreneur mindset recognizes opportunities where others see obstacles. When the economy shifts, most people panic and retreat. Those with a wealth mindset ask, how can I position myself to benefit from these changes? The greatest fortunes are built during times of disruption, but only by those prepared to act while others freeze in fear. Your spending habits reveal your true priorities, not what you claim to value. If building wealth were genuinely important to you, your bank statements would reflect it. Financial success comes from alignment between what you say matters and where your money actually goes. Most people claim to want financial independence while making daily choices that guarantee they'll never achieve it. Overcoming debt isn't just about paying off balances, it's about rewiring your psychological relationship with borrowing. Debt has become normalized to the point where people believe they can't function without it. This dependency is exactly what keeps the financial system profitable and you perpetually struggling. Freedom begins when you commit to living below your means, not stretching beyond them. The income breakthrough happens when you diversify beyond your job. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income, not because they're greedy, but because they understand risk management. Depending on a single employer for your financial survival is as risky as investing your entire portfolio in a single stock. Smart money creates redundancies. Financial discipline trumps motivation every time. Motivation is fleeting. Discipline is consistent. The financially successful aren't necessarily smarter or more talented. They're simply more disciplined about their money habits. They make the right choices even when they don't feel like it, especially when they don't feel like it. Building wealth requires patience in an instant gratification world. While everyone else chases quick returns and overnight success, the disciplined investor compounds consistently over time. They understand that financial success is rarely dramatic. It's methodical, sometimes boring, and almost always misunderstood by those still caught in consumption patterns. Your environment shapes your financial reality more than you realize. If everyone in your circle is living paycheck to paycheck, struggling with debt, and defining success through purchases, you'll naturally adopt those patterns. Transforming your finances often means upgrading your environment, seeking mentors, communities, and information sources aligned with where you want to go, not where you've been. Wealth creation accelerates when you stop trading time for money and start solving valuable problems. The marketplace rewards problem solvers abundantly. Instead of asking, "How can I make more money?" ask, "What problems can I solve that people will gladly pay for?" This shift in thinking is what separates those who make a living from those who build lasting wealth. Financial success is fundamentally about delayed gratification, sacrificing what you want now for what you want most. The rat race keeps you trapped because it encourages immediate pleasure over long-term fulfillment. Breaking free means developing the emotional maturity to forego today's temptations for tomorrow's freedom. Most people never escape the rat race because they manage symptoms instead of addressing root causes. They focus on budgeting apps and coupon clipping while ignoring their fundamental beliefs about money, success, and what they deserve. Real transformation happens when you confront the money stories you've been telling yourself and replace them with empowering alternatives. The path to financial independence isn't found in get-rich-quick schemes or market timing. It's built through consistent habits that, at first glance, seem ordinary. Automatically investing before spending, continuously educating yourself about money, protecting your assets, and compound interest. Simple practices applied consistently yield extraordinary results over time. Have you been living someone else's definition of success? Are the financial goals you're chasing actually yours, or were they programmed into you by family, media, or social expectations? True financial freedom begins with defining what wealth means to you, not just in dollars, but in time, purpose, impact, and legacy. What would change if you approached money as a tool for creating the life you want, rather than a scarce resource you're constantly chasing? How would your decisions differ if building lasting wealth, not temporary comfort, became your priority? The answers to these questions reveal the first steps on your path out of the rat race. If this message resonated with you, you're ready for transformation. Like this video, subscribe for more straight-talking financial wisdom, and share it with someone still stuck in patterns that keep them financially trapped. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single decision. Make it now.